right, welcome to the Bath and Body Room at aromaG's Botanica. Let's go visit one of our team members. Shelby, hey!
Hi.
Show us some neat stuff that you really like here in this Bath and Body Room.
Yeah, so one of my favorite products are our fizzing bath soaks. They're kind of like deconstructed bath bombs. They're really great. They're made with all essential oils, and we do make them in-house. Another one of my favorite things, especially with winter coming up, are our whipped sugar scrubs. They're also made in-house with essential oils, and they're super great for exfoliating.
Oh wow! So these right here, we just pour them in our bathtub.
Oh, and they're gonna be kind of fizzy like a bath bomb, but they're gonna do the whole bath instead of like having to break up over time like a bath bomb. We see a lot of people getting these for gifts, like for birthdays or for Christmas or any kind of holiday. But we also see a lot of people getting them for themselves for like a little treat, little self-care moment.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
Which one of these is your favorite one?
Oh my gosh.
The whipped sugar scrubs.
That's so hard. I really love our prayer and meditation scent. That's one of our signature scents.
Okay.
It's really nice, but so is the romance. They're both really good.
Gotcha.
But you can't go wrong with any of them.